Kasder Group is an automotive maintenance solution provider that integrates R&D intelligence, global marketing, and technical services. It upholds the corporate mission of providing more valuable products and services for automotive maintenance enterprises, enabling drivers to enjoy a safe, convenient life and limitless driving pleasure. Guided by the principle of no matter when, where, to whom, or what, the company consistently adheres to its core values of integrity, kindness, justice, and love. Headquartered in Guangzhou Zengcheng, Kasder operates within a 55,000 square meter modern industrial park, equipped with an intelligent workshop, high-standard warehousing, and a 750 square meter R&D laboratory. The company holds dual ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certifications, reflecting its commitment to quality and excellence. With over 300 employees, 72% hold college degrees or higher, while 11 masters and doctoral experts lead R&D initiatives. The group has developed more than 300 products covering the maintenance needs of 9 major automotive systems and provides OEM services for leading automakers such as Dongfeng Nissan and FAW Toyota. Kasder's business spans 40-plus countries and regions, serving over 4,000 Auto 4S stores and 50-plus top 100 dealerships. Since 2013, the company has allocated 1% of its annual profits to its Dream Fund, supporting educational philanthropy. Driven by the corporate belief of committing to becoming a vital force in helping partners succeed, Kasder delivers professional solutions that empower maintenance companies to enhance quality and efficiency. Through innovation and dedication, the company ensures every vehicle delivers a safer, more enjoyable driving experience.